Hey, I'm John Merritt from Born to Produce, and if you're looking to seriously level up your music production skills, you're in the right place. Together, we're going to build a full progressive house track from start to finish, and you're going to do it right alongside me. Step by step, I'll show you exactly how to craft every element of the track. No fluff. This is real, hands-on learning that's practical, creative, and above all, it's fun. But here's what really makes the course special. We also integrate AI directly into the production process, not just as a novelty, but as a powerful creative tool. You'll learn how to use AI to generate custom vocals that match the exact mood of your track, create unique samples and musical elements, and even improve your mix by replacing weak sounds with better AI enhanced ones. In fact, some of the most important parts of the track, like the vocal, the kick, and even elements of the bass line, were created using generative AI, and I'll show you exactly how I did it. You'll not only see where AI fits into the workflow, you'll learn how to use it yourself to enhance your own productions. This is the future of music production, and this course gives you the tools to start using it today. You'll get 22 in-depth video lessons covering everything from melody writing and layering synths to processing drums, arranging your track, mixing, mastering, and of course, how to use AI practically and creatively at key points in your workflow to enhance your music in ways that you could have only dreamed of before. Everything you need is included, all the synth presets, audio files, and work files, so you can follow along and build the full track with me one step at a time. By the end, you won't just understand how to make a professional sounding progressive house track, you'll have actually made one and learned the exact skills needed to produce your own original music going forwards. If you're ready to get hands-on, have fun, and learn how to use both traditional production techniques and cutting-edge AI tools in one complete course, then I'll see you in the tutorial. Thanks for watching.
Sweet escape with a fantasy. Come on, baby, get lost in me. Go down in the dark, our love will live on. Liquid lust in a brown-eyed stare. Let me breathe in your love affair. One sick with your soul, baby, you'll never know. If I died in the dark. I loved your heart. If I died in the dark. I loved your heart. Liquid lust in a brown-eyed stare. Let me breathe in your love never fair. One sip of your soul, baby. You'll never know. If I died, I died in the dark. I loved your heart. If I died, I died in the dark. I loved your heart. If I die, I died in the dark. I loved your heart. If I died, I died in the dark. I loved your heart.